how to check credit score in the Barclays app. So here's a step-by-step guide. First, you will need to open up the app on your smartphone. Log in using your credentials, PIN, Face ID, or fingerprint. On the home screen, you want to tap on the Products tab at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down and look for the section titled Your Credit Score or Check Your Credit Score. This option might be visible directly on the main dashboard depending on your app version. Tap the Credit Score section and it will display your score along with details from credit reference agencies Barclays partners with. Usually it should be TransUnion. If you're not seeing the option, make sure that your app is up to date and that you're eligible for the credit score service. Barclays offers this to UK residents who hold a Barclays current account, mortgage, or Barclays card. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.